ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Court. So guys, I don't want to waste much of our time. I don't want to talk too much. You know, people have been complaining that I talk too much. So let's dive into it, because less for me, I wanted to explain, illustrate what I normally do, but people are saying that I talk too much, but they will not stop me from talking too much, because I want people to know how to barb this hair perfectly. So today we are going to barb this haircut. This haircut now is going to be what? Afro. For those of you that don't know how to barb low cut afro, the up is going to be low, so here is going to be afro normal. So we are going to start it now. Here the first guideline is going to be skin. So you know how I normally do it.
Are you busy?
So guys, sorry. So like I said, the first guideline is going to be what? Skin. Now let me tell us something. All of us, we keep on saying afro, afro, afro. This haircut now, since it's going to come down, it's going to be low cut. This haircut is called boost cut. It is called boost cut. Do you understand? This haircut is called boost cut. So how you are going to barb it now? The first guideline is going to be skin. Here is going to be low cut. Simple cut, but a lot of us don't know how to do it. How are we going to do it? Brush the hair thoroughly to know how the texture is. Remember, always tell us this. Brush it very well to know how hair. I've remembered. Someone commented that I told us that look at this center here. This is where this hair that you see here. You think that this hair started from here? No, they all started from here. This is the hair junction, the brain box of all this hair. So a lot of us don't know how to barb this place particularly. Do you understand? That is why sometimes you see somebody that blend hair here, you see here we just chop off. So I'm going to show you. Watch this video to the end and make sure you share it. Let other people benefit from it. And if you know that you are learning something from this channel, please subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. And don't forget to share. Don't be stingy. Now I'm going to show us how to hold your clipper, how to control your hand, so that you not chop off this hair. That is why if you see a professional barber, when he gets to this place, if he's using normal blade, he use normal blade to blend it, and it will not chop. Then you see someone that is not too good at it, he will now use step one to carry it back so that it will not chop. But I'm going to show us now. Watch how my hand is going to be moving. Watch how I'm going to be holding the clipper. I told us that these are the basic things that you need to know: how to control your clipper, when to use your normal blade, step one, and low cut level. So all these things is what I'm going to be using. As you can see now, this is going to make use of only blade and step one. So please share this video. Let's dive into it. I don't want to talk much. Let's just dive into it. But remember, for those of you that just see my channel for the first time, please, you have to bear with us. I know you have not been watching all this while. Now, anything that you see me do to this side is the same thing that I will do to this side. So you have to exercise patience with me. Pay attention very well to understand the basics, to understand whatever I'm doing here, because this chair is not a rotatory chair. But once you get a rotatory chair, I'll be at a place, I'll be barbing. Once I want to call this, I will rotate it. So bear with us to manage what we have now. You know, our shop got burnt, everything burnt. We are just managing to catch up again. Do you understand? So thank you for understanding. So watch. After you have brushed the hair down thoroughly, you set your blade. You are creating the first guideline. A lot of us don't know how to barb this hair. You take the hair too up. Someone commented that I should show where to stop the afro, that you normally take it up too much. Now watch very attentive. If you are the person, watch and listen to what I'm saying. Don't repeat question. Don't be asking what I said. Listen very attentively as you are watching. Listen very attentively. And once you are done watching any of my video, go to my playlist. Don't just ask me to make this video. I've done almost 300 and something videos. Go there, you see any question, first check if what you want to ask me I've already done it or not. So let's go. I've talked too much already, and I said I'm not going to talk too much. Love you guys, love you guys. Subscribe, turn your notification on so that you see it. Now look at what I'm doing now. I'll put on my clipper. I've sterilized the clipper. Make sure you sterilize the clipper. Sorry I did not show the part, but I've done a video where you can sterilize your clipper thoroughly. Do you understand? The video is there. Go and watch it. So now, see what we are going to do now. Here now, I've on my clipper now. You are going to carry the gel up to put it on what? Skin level. I told us that the first guideline is going to be skin. This is what? Afro. It's going to be skin. It's coming down. This is normal boost cut, but we call it Afro. So let me just go with it. Afro. Do you understand? So you carry it up. Position it. Watch how my hand is going. Watch how I'm moving my hand. Remember, I told us that it's not that you cannot start it like this. You know, you watch some videos when they want to create the first guideline, they just start it like this. Not that you cannot do it. I don't like doing it like this because it weakens my blade. You understand? I first raise it up to remove the hair before I skin it. So this is the one that works for me. So you can try the one that works for you better, the one that you like. But watch how my hand is moving. So remember what I told you. Watch closely, listen very attentively. Listen very attentively. Share this video. Invite others. Let them benefit from this too. Don't be stingy. And like, comment. Just comment anything. It will help us. It will help YouTube to know that we are doing something very, very educational. Do you understand? Comment anything. Even if it's thank you sir, you try, God bless you, it's something, just comment and share. Understand? Give us thumbs up. And don't forget, like I told us, very soon people that will be benefiting much from these videos are those that are going to be under my membership peg. So if you have not joined, go and join my membership peg, because there is some technical and classic explanation that I will explain. It's only them, those that have joined my membership. It's not something much. It's just a token of appreciation that you appreciate what I'm doing. To join, you just support us in any way you can. You understand? So watch what I'm doing. After you have textured it very well, remember, once you are creating the first guideline, if you not texture it very well, in terms of blending, it will spoil the hair. So you have to be very, very accurate. Follow how the hair texture is. Please follow how the hair texture is to create the first guideline. Now the second guideline, you put it on what? Low cut level. By bringing the gel down, let the blade open. Please, if I'm trying, please give me a thumbs up. It's not easy to teach you. It's not easy, like seriously. Then once you put it, you hold it like this. You create the second guideline, which is what? Under low cut level. Look at it very well. Look at it very well. Watch what I'm doing, guys. You see, I'm doing it slow and steady. This is tutorial purpose. That's why I'm taking my time slowly to do this. Do you understand? Watch how I'm doing it, so that you can be able to barb even children hair, adult hair. Do you understand? Make sure you are brushing down the hair. Once you created the second guideline, the next thing you're going to do now is to bring the hair down, because this is a student, right? It's not going to be up. Like if it's holiday time now, I'll just blend it and leave the up for him, but it's going to come down. Do you understand? So you put your step one, still put it on what? Under low cut level. You bring it. I don't want this video to be too long, so take your time. Why is it that whenever you are watching something that will benefit you in future till you grow old and go, you will not have that time to sit down, subscribe and watch it? You are not just making this video. I was cutting someone hair and I was making video like this. The guy said that, sir, you are trying. I say, how? He said, people that are watching it now, they will not know what you are going through by explaining all this thing. I say, it's not easy, but if they are watching, they'll think that it's easy to make video like this to teach. So appreciate us, appreciate. You can buy super chat and send to me. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small. What I'm after is just to get this rotatory chair. That is what I'm looking for now. I'm looking for money. Let me just get this rotatory chair for our own benefit, not for my own benefit though. If it's just for me, nothing concern me. I'll just be using this chair, but I want you people to be seeing whatever I'm doing here, how I use my left hand to and do the other side, so that I'll be rotating the chair. So all this thing is sacrifice. It's not going to remove anything. If you really want to support us to get this rotatory chair, before this month finish or next month finish. Support us. Do you understand? If truly you are benefiting from my channel, from the tutorial, because a lot of people are commenting, and sometimes I'll be like, God, why me? Like, seriously, I'm really imparting. People say that I'm really imparting to people's life, but it's not by my power, and it's God's doing. Do you understand? But if you know that you can support, there is nothing bad here supporting where you are learning from, because the way I'm teaching you here, the way I'm explaining it, you know, everyone is different. So I'm different from others. So I do my own as if you are here with me. I will explain it to the extent that you must surely understand it, except you have a block here. Do you understand? See what I'm doing? I'll bring the hair down now. Can you see? Make sure you ask your client if the level is okay or not. Let me ask him now. Afro, it's okay like this? Are you sure? So after you have, you see, he said you should cut down a little. Now see what you are going to do now. Now let me tell us something. Let me teach us something that maybe nobody has showed you or taught you this thing that I want to show you now. See now, do you believe that, do you know that if you put your blade under step 1 and put it on low cut level, and you bring it downward like this, and if you remove the step 1 and still put it on local level and bring it front, do you know that it's the same thing? Oh God, I'm just unleashing everything. I don't care, I don't hide anything. Do you know that it's the same thing? It's the same low cut. Do you know why some people, whenever they want to barb low cut, like they want it to be smooth, they'll just carry it backward like this? They'll use step 1 and bring backward, because their hand is not steady. It's not steady and stable. Do you understand? As in, their hand is not that strong enough to carry the hair like this. Do you understand? Because of here that I told us about. But if you are good, you just use only your normal blade and carry it. And now look at how you are going to carry this place. Watch. Look at what I told you that all this hair is sprout out from. This is the junction boss. So how will you barb it so that it will not chop? Now you brush the hair. See, you brush it accordingly how the hair grows. Brush it like this. Brush it like this. Then you see the direction of the hair. You follow it. Now look at the direction like this. You put it like this. You follow it. You see it. You follow it. You see it. Once you barb it again. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see it? Hope you are learning something. That is just what I'm after. Hope you are learning something, guys. You see it? Now it's going to go like this. Can you see it? Now look at what I just explained now. See, this is normal blade, right? Now if I should put it on step 1 and bring it backward, you see that it's the same thing. It's the same level that it will give you. Hey, oh God, please share this video. Subscribe. Once you subscribe, become part of this family. You will not regret it though. Always tell us to learn something, mostly this barbing, because there is where you go to. You will not like whoever that you see in that place to cut your child's hair. But once you are watching my video, a lot of people see. I'll be like, hey, who am I? A lot of people are. There is one lady that she commented something that just touched me. She said that she watched my video finish. She just called her son and practicalized it, and she got it. She was so thankful. She was thanking me. I said, it's God, oh, please thank God, not me. Do you understand? Can you see that it's the same level? See, this is what some people will not tell you. You know, some teachers they will not unleash what they know. But me, I don't care. I'll tell you everything. It's left for you. If you really want to appreciate, you appreciate. Do you understand? All this thing that I'm teaching you, if you are here with me, you even know that I will even teach you the way that I'm explaining it here. Do you understand? Can you see it? This level is okay, right? Can you see it? So this is how you are going to do it. Watch how I'm following my hand. Like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, but I hope with this little one, you have been able to understand what I said about this haircut. Alright? So after you have brushed it very well, make sure that everything is smooth very, very well. so that the level will be uniform. Can you see what I'm doing, right? So after this now, so I'm not going to barb this side like I said, because this chair is not a rotatory chair. So after you have gotten the level that you want, you use your normal blade to smoothen it, bring it downward like this. Watch the way my hand is moving. Watch how I'm smoothing it. Follow it accordingly. The way you textured it from the beginning, that is the same way you carry it. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? You brush it. Now we are about to clean up the line. The first guideline and the second guideline that we created. Remember, you are now going to leave it like this. Please, you have to take your time and what is it. I don't want it to be too long, but it's getting long, right? So what you are going to do now is still put it under what? Low-cut level. You carry it up, flip it up like this. Flip it up like this. Make sure you are brushing down the hair. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing, guys. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, because I have a lot of tutorials for you guys. Make sure you follow it. And what I'm doing now is, like, let me just say, it's miscellaneous, right? Because you have to take your time to make sure you blend everywhere, so that everywhere will be uniform. You know, this is practical raw. We have not edited it. It's not those pictures you see online that they edited that you not see where mistake is, but this one is raw. So you are going to see where we do not barb well or where we barb well. Do you understand? So after you have flip it up finish, and you have smoothed it finish, you put it on what I normally call it semi-low cut blade. Don't join the blade together yet. Don't let it to be full skin yet. Put it, just open it a bit, because if you just put it on full skin, as you are blending up this line, it will still be showing line. It will be creating another line. So you just do it like this. Use the tip of the blade to blend it. You see what I'm doing? And mostly, sometimes, any hair that is very, very strong is the one that you do like this. You understand? See what I'm doing, guys? Make sure you are brushing it. You can see that this hair is very, very strong and it's very, very sweet to blend. It will take your time to blend, but once you are done blending it very well, you love it. So after you have done this finish, then you can now put it on what? Full skin to clean up the line. So guys, please, if you know that we are doing something, if you know that we are trying, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and make sure that you invite others to come and watch and benefit. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I will not be telling us this. Do you understand? Make sure you learn something tangible that will help you in the future. So as you can see, hope you are enjoying it. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing, guys. So this is our universal cut HUC. Once you follow this channel, you will not regret it. You will love becoming part of this family. So after you done it finish, you still bring it. Make sure you take your time. That's why I told us that barbing requires what? Your maximum time. Patience. If you don't have patience, you can't be a barber. I must be focused, because all this thing I think I'm doing now, the thing that is very, very simple, right?